This is a security catalog file. It stores digital signatures for drivers to prove they haven't been hacked. You don't edit this. Windows uses it automatically. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the shield. We're going to solve this CAT issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. A CAT file serves as a security catalog and cat, primarily used by Windows operating systems to verify the authenticity and integrity of software and drivers. These catalogs contain digital signatures and cryptographic hashes, ensuring that files haven't been tampered with since their original release. This helps prevent the installation of malicious or corrupted software. CAT files adhere to Microsoft's catalog file format, which includes a header, a list of file hashes, and a digital signature. The signature is generated using a trusted certificate authority, allowing the operating system to validate the publisher's identity. Cryptographic algorithms like SHA-256 are commonly used for hashing file contents. The optimal viewer for the CAT format is generally considered to be Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows displays only limited attributes, so meaningful access depends on the tool that created the file. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your CAT file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Windows first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If you cannot access the CAT file, no problem. This CAT format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, use Windows Catalog Viewer. Double-click the file to open the Windows Security Catalog Viewer to see the digital signatures and file hashes it contains. Next, check Properties. Right-click the file and select Properties to view information about the digital certificate and the software it validates. Finally, open in Notepad. If the file is a different catalog type, open it in Notepad to check if it is a simple text-based list of items or software parts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.